morning. Today we're doing pipes and Vicky made an amazing drawing which was really helpful. We were searching for a plumber shop and we found one which had everything, and the staff was really helpful. They explained patiently everything about all of the tools and connections. We used the PEX pipe. It just can withstand the most range of temperatures from freezing. Now we're going to prepare everything on a table to see all of the details in places. I'm still enjoying those 5 minutes of light this morning because it will be a rainy day, and I'm very excited that in the end of this video we will have a running water. Well, hopefully we will see, but we will show the final results and let's get working. This is what we have. I think everything looks similar that we planned. Only thing I'm a little bit concerned is metal connections. This was the hardest part. The planning, buying the stuff, installation supposed to be the easy part. And this is the extra part to take it out and in, all the water pump if needed. We have a water tank installed from the early days of the furniture installation, but we had to transfer by the standard 1x2 or the PEX pipes. And those endings are just with the color, not for the beauty, but they actually do the function. They hold the PEX pipe intact. It has the memory. After I will show you how it works with the tool. Those corners we found plastic, they're light, and then it goes over here. The PEX ending, the normal ending, because our water heater, it's 1x2, the standard, and it goes to the sink in the kitchen area, the faucet. Then the hot water comes out, it goes to the shower through the PEX pipe all the way in, and hot water comes to the sink as well. Only part I didn't mention are those from a standard 1x2 to the PEX pipe ending, and from standard to standard we are just using over here. All of those parts cost €3 for those PEX corners and around 4 or 5 euros for all of those thingies over here. For people who are willing to find the plastic components, they would save around 700 grams. For a water heater we chose this Ariston 15 liters one, just because it was on sale, 100 euros, and we bought it a half a year ago. I'm going to attach those endings, do the tape and all the thing over here, not under our sink. I connected this heater as it said on the manual. Also, I learned that I need to use this valve, which has to be mounted specifically where the water intake is. Don't let the water go outside, something like that. But there's an arrow over here, and just then it's going straight on top of it. That way we will save some security, let's say, and some weight, so we don't need an extra pipes. Just keep in mind that it has to be close to your kitchen faucet under the sink, and they are pretty unique. The very small ending, it's hard to find, so we wanted to use them. And the spot we chose for our heater was just under the sink as well. So over here the cold water comes, and the cold water goes to be heated, it goes to the shower, it goes to the kitchen. Hot water comes out, it goes to the shower, and it goes to the kitchen faucet. We chose it because we loved the color and it matched our sink color. It's stainless steel. So now I'm going to connect those two, then we will have those left. Excuse me, Vicky told that it's not stainless steel color.
Would be dark gray or graffiti probably.
The point is that It matches.
And in these two we're gonna keep soap and something else.
That's what I was talking about when it's no space to work and it's better to prep on a table in the daylight.
We have our PEX pipe, and our last step is to cut into exact pieces, use the special tool and leave it until tomorrow to check if it's leaking or not.
Let's see how does it stretch in those conditions. Not bad, but it will start lifting the water pump, so I think I have to fasten it to the ground even without checking. I don't like it, but I think that's no other option. I have this ending, it will help to keep the position of the plastic. I will stretch on it, and then it just, by the time passes, it will try to come back to the same position, but it will actually just hold the pipe. The tool is just doing this mechanically. And then Vika, show me from different side. Also, we bought those plastic holders. Looks like they're doing their job perfectly. These are the full results. The cold water goes there, as we talked. Goes here. Splits to 3, to the heater, to the shower, and to the sink. And hot water, after being heated, goes to the shower and to the sink. These are the most basic cutters, and this is the tool we used. It was really good. I would say it does its job perfectly. And you can say that quality is amazing also, because it feels like it's like 20 or more years old, and it still does its job. Okay, now the last step, we are testing it. Putting a few buckets of water.
Tomorrow, not today.
It's the final stage. Vicky just cleaned the tank and we are going to fill it up, and we can experience firsthand if it's leaking together. Also, I built this little support for the water heater because it's around 10 kilograms and it's going to be filled with 15 liters of hot water. I'm not really trusting this handle thing, so a few support thingies will help me sleep better at night. First water will be filled in. And this will be our daily task. If we will not find any water supply. Towels ready, buckets ready, wires prepared. The first test run. This is our level indicator, the original one. Vicky is going to insert the fuse and the pump will start working. There is no on or off switch on the thing.
Just use.
Just fuse. So,
at the moment.
so, but we have a confirmation that the circle is finished, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because the red light is there.
What's happening?
Yeah, it's building the pressure. It's still building the pressure. It's a bit long, but I don't see.
First time for him, so you know.
I don't see any leaks though. Oh, it will fill all the tank. Actually, yes, it will fill all of this 15-liter tank. I was worried that. Okay, yeah. I see one leak. It's over here. We got it leaking. So have to start working with the better connections.
I was hoping it won't leak.
Yeah, same. Okay, see you again later. The next day I found a strength to work with this beast. Yep. We are cutting everything, soaking the water, because we are disconnecting all of those beautiful things. Teflon tape didn't work. It was leaking everywhere where the Teflon tape was. It was not leaking only on the parts where the PEX connection was, so we're doing an assumption that we overkill it with the power while turning it. So now we are going to do the old school stuff, the linen, hemp, whatever you call it, with some kind of paste. Vicky is removing the last bits of our favorite plumbing tool. What do you think, Vicky, about this?
But maybe somebody knows how to use it properly.
I think it cracked when we used too much power. So for professional use only. I just want to do the old school hemp thing like I did at my home a long time ago. No problems, 10 years later. Second attempt, it's twice more stressful. we actually have running water, and I'm very happy. But I was a bit too sensitive yesterday when I saw that the water pump working and the LEDs are strobing a little bit. We don't use the transistor, which would hold the steady stream of power, and it jumps a little bit, and the LEDs are sensitive, and we are going to fix this issue with the accumulator tank. So we're going to order it right now, or we're going to solve it with the transistor. And I just want to thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, where we are going to put the underslug water tank and fix the water flow issue.